60 seconds is not a lot of time. $1.40 is not a huge amount of money. But if you add this up over and again and 60 seconds in leads over and over again, it can add up to a good amount of money per day. So right here on the screen, just to show you that I have been earning from this, to show you that I am getting leads and that this strategy is working, today I've hit $98.60 alone. Yesterday, $104.20. This month, about $1,700 in leads so far, applying strategies like this. Just to refresh, to show you, this is my live Max Bounty dashboard. For those of you that don't know, Max Bounty is a CPA, a cost per action network, where companies will pay people like you and me to perform different tasks. And this is a beautiful business model because we can sign people up on websites, refer them to different landing pages, and they don't even have to buy the product. They just have to enter an email or opt in into a specific giveaway competition, for example, and they are going to reward us between $1 and $5 per lead. So it's really amazing because you're basically getting paid to provide free value. So for those of you that aren't accepted in Max Bounty, I know a lot of people do get rejected from this program. There is many alternatives like cpaleads.com. So go sign up on this website if you're not able to sign up on Max Bounty. Also come over to OfferVault. You will find a ton of various different offers that you can go and apply this exact same strategy. But before we get into this value pack strategy, my name is Jay. I'm an online entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, drop servicer, and software developer from South Africa, documenting my journey on this channel on how I'm using different strategies, different business models, different ways to make money online, giving you some insight on that. So I'm just posting daily content on this channel completely for free for you guys to get the most insight and the most value possible. So if you want to join me on that journey, make sure to subscribe down below and put the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one, so you can get it first and beat the competition to that and make the most money online. But without further ado, continuing with this, also I'm going to give you access to my Instagram ads success course completely for free at the end of this video. I paid about $80 for it. I'm going to give this to you completely for free at the end of this video, but you got to make sure that you watch this until the end, that you just take a few minutes out of your day to understand how this works so you can apply that in that Instagram ads course and blow this up completely. So what I really like about this strategy, at the same time we are helping people, and at the same time we are getting paid for that. So you'll see Max Bounty, if you come over to the search campaigns, I found this campaign over here called Swagbucks Multi-Geo. So it's accepted in multiple countries around the world, which is handy, and you're going to get paid $1.20 per lead on a mobile lead and $3.60 per person that you capture on this website. That just enters the email and password and signs up on the website. They don't need to buy anything. They don't need to do anything. You're going to get $3.60 per lead. That's for desktop. But what's nice about Swagbucks, it's a website where people can do surveys, they can do different tasks, play games, and get paid online. And these surveys pay decent. Some surveys pay 50 cents to $2 each. It's not like it's this 1-cent surveys where you've got to get this $30 requirement, nothing ridiculous like that. Swagbucks has a really good reputation. So what I've been doing is I've been helping people around on Instagram, Facebook, because a lot of people at home right now, they want to make money online, and I would basically recommend this to them to earn a couple of bucks, like an extra $5, $10 a day for food, entertainment while they're at home doing nothing. And in the meantime, Max Bounty is paying me $1.20 every single lead. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can actually do this every 60 seconds. So in order to find this particular campaign, just come over to the search campaign tab on Max Bounty. You'll see over here, just type in Swagbucks on the search bar. You will find it in the search bar on this menu. It is the Swagbucks Surveys it's the Swagbucks Multi-Geo. That is the one that I'm using. So in order to get your link, you just need to click on Build Tracking Link. I like to choose contextual, and I like to choose the raw link. So you'll see when I copy my affiliate link and go and paste this into a new tab, it's going to take me to the Swagbucks landing page, where as soon as your lead enters the email password and confirms that, you're going to get your $1.20 per lead. That's if they're on a mobile phone. If they're on a desktop, you're going to get $3.60, so that's 3 times more. And what's also nice about this, and it's the best way to ultimately hook in leads, is Swagbucks is offering a $5 bonus. So what you can do is you can use this to your advantage and literally tell people, and I'm going to show you how you can blow up with this, that you can get a $5 bonus with Swagbucks in gift cards or in paper money if you sign up to this website. Here's this unique link. When they click on that, Max Bounty is going to pay you $1.20 or $3.40 per that lead. So it's very, very powerful strategy. You're not selling anything. You're not spamming people, you're actually helping people out by giving them a chance to earn money at the same time you are getting paid for that. So we need to now go and put this into action so we can actually start earning from this. So come back to Max Bounty on this dashboard where you've produced your affiliate link, copy your affiliate link, come over to a website called bit.ly where we're going to create a short link just to neaten it up and make it look not as long and spammy. So we can click on create new, paste the long URL here. We can click on create. We can also customize this back half and we can go, for example, $5 giveaway. And we can click on save, and you can see over here you can then copy this link. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with free traffic, so we can actually start off by just getting our first $10 to $20 with this. Then I'm going to show you how to invest that into a smaller paid ad strategy that will completely blow this up, and you can literally get leads every single 60 seconds. So I'm going to start off with Facebook groups, but not just any Facebook group. These Facebook groups actually convert, and it's a great way just to get your first few couple of leads, get that initial $10, $20, $30 using the free strategy. And I came over to a whole bunch of different freebies groups, such as freebies and samples, referral links and freebies and giveaways, freebies. And you want to go and join all of these freebie groups, engage with the community, mention in comments, hey guys, Swagbucks is doing a $5 bonus sign up. So if you sign up on Swagbucks, you're going to get $5 to your account, which you can withdraw in Amazon Pay, PayPal, Bitcoin, so many different payment gateways that Swagbucks pays out, and you're basically just giving people this free opportunity to win $5. So what you can do is you can then put that bit.ly link, you can go into these groups. I mean, some of these groups have 69k members, 10k, 12k, they vary, and it's tens of thousands of people. So it's a great way just to get a few signups, get that initial $10, $20, $30, and all these groups are completely free to join. You can do the same on Twitter. So you can come over to Twitter and you can search for I need money. So you can search for people that are searching for ways to make money online. So you can see, hello people, I'm an aspiring author in need of money to sustain needs. My parents can't allow me during this hardest time. So we can reply to these people that are looking for money and ways to make money online. Hey, Swagbucks, you want to be completely transparent with them, is having a $5 sign up bonus. You can complete surveys, you can do basic tasks, play games, and basically make money online. It's an extra $10 to $5 to $20 per day. It's nothing big, but it's a great way to get a little bit of commissions, something for entertainment or food or whatever it may be. So you can go through our Twitter, have a look at what people are saying, reply to their tweets, reply to people that are looking for ways to make money online or work from home now during the time while most people are online or while most people are at home, and we can go and help them out and provide them this opportunity to earn money online with Swagbucks. So this is just Facebook and Twitter for the free strategy to just get that initial upfront capital. Then we can come over to a place called Influencer Carts. I use Influencer Carts all the time for Instagram shoutouts, not only for this, but for drop servicing, for affiliate marketing, for a couple of drop shipping products. There's so many different things, and Instagram influencing is one of the cheapest ways to get a lot of traffic. So since we are helping people make money online, it's the niche of online entrepreneurship, working from home. So I thought of coming over to these pages, and we can go luxury motivation, we can do entrepreneurship, all sorts of pages. Here's one over here called Entrepreneurs with 309k followers. So we want to open up their page. But before we actually just go and buy a shout out, it's important that you have a look at their engagement and make sure that the following base is real, because what a lot of people do is, and that's why they fail at Instagram influencer marketing, is because they will go buy a shout out, but those Instagram pages have dead followers, so they don't actually end up getting any engagement. That's what you need to make sure before you actually go buy the shout out. So we can copy their username. We want to come over to Instagram, paste this over here, and we want to actually go and have a look at their profile. So I'm going to click on their profile. You can see their 309k followers. They've got a nice bio. Let's have a look at their likes. 21,000 views, 1,700 likes, 29k views, 708 likes. The engagement isn't amazing. It's all right. They are actually getting decent engagement. Just to double check and have a look at comments. What kind of comments? If people are commenting, there are a couple of comments, but not. Yeah, there's a lot of comments. So I would say the engagement is pretty decent. So this is a good page to use. All you do is you DM them. You don't want to say, hey, you want to be, hi, I'm interested in purchasing your shout out. Let me know what your prices are. You want to show that you're interested in doing business with them, so they actually reply to you. You don't want to be like, hey, how you doing? You want to actually get straight to the business, and that's how you get them to reply to you. So you can come down. You want to have a look at any niche. any niche that's got to do with working from home, whether it's home, games and play, pages on luxury and motivation. It could be anything, because what's nice about this niche, it really works for anybody. So we can also go have a look at Supercars World 46. It's a luxury kind of an Instagram page. So we can copy this, come back to Instagram. We want to click on their page, and you'll see 75k likes, 39,000, 5,000 views, 300 likes, 310 likes. So the engagement is not that pretty good. They're getting like 11 comments, 14 comments. It's actually not that good. This is not a page I would use. So you can see, although they have a lot of followers, the engagement is poor. I mean, to get 5 comments, 2 comments with 3,000 views with a 75k follower page, it tells me a lot of their followers perhaps aren't even real. So it's important to notice these kind of things. And we can also use the search feature on Instagram. So we can go make money online. In the search bar, we can find pages that are in the make money online niche. Make money fast, make money online 24. We can use the hashtag. So let's go have a look at some of these pages. 16k likes, followers, and he's getting 600 likes, 800 likes, 1,600 likes, 61 comments. Engagement on this page is actually pretty good. It's well over 15%, which is very solid. So you can literally DM this guy and be like, hey, I'm interested in buying a story shout out on your page with a swipe up feature. And you can have on that story feature, Swagbucks is having a $5 bonus. Sign up, swipe up to claim your $5, and you can have your affiliate link as that swipe up. Or if Instagram blocks that affiliate link, create a basic landing page on something like Linktree, where you can go create like a single button on a landing page, and when people click on that, it will take them to your affiliate link. So that's the nice way to bypass the affiliate link issue on Instagram. And keep searching throughout the make money online niche. Go buy a whole bunch of shoutouts, and as your capital starts to grow more and more, there comes a stage where you can run like 5-10 shoutouts a day, and you make $200-300 a day in profit. This is how you scale, starting off small, growing big over time. But guys, this is for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to comment down below if you enjoyed it. I will answer any of your questions. And if you want access to my Instagram ad success course on how you can master this, leave a like on this video. I will really appreciate that. Comment down below that you've done so, and I will reply to that comment with the download link to that Instagram course completely for free. The zip folder on the Google Drive, so it's not like any upsell to some $2,000 course. It's there for free. And also on the screen above, I will leave a link or a little element to my CPA marketing playlist on YouTube. Tons of other videos like this on how you can make money online with CPA marketing and really master that. So make sure to click on that on the screen, and I will see you there.